A very good morning, children. I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, I welcome you in today's maths class. In this class, we are going to do practice of word problems on addition. So, let's begin. Now, the first question is, Lucky went to grocery store. He bought 18 packs of cookies and 15 packs of noodles. How many packs of groceries did he buy in all? So first thing, we have to read question carefully. Question is saying Lucky bought 18 packs of cookies and 15 packs of noodles. So first thing, we have to write down T-O. T represents tens place, O represents ones place. After that, write down 18 packs of cookies, 15 packs of noodles. Now the question is asking how many packs of groceries did he buy in all? In all means we have to find out when we put all things together, then we will find out the total number of grocery item. So put it here plus sign and we will start addition. So the first step is we have to add all the digit that is written under ones place. So 18 cookies, 15 noodles. So here at ones place 8 is written, 5 is written. So first step is to add all the digits that are given under ones place. So here you can see 8 plus 5, when we add 8 with 5 we will get answer 13. And here in the 13 you can see 1 tens and 3 ones. So what is the next step? We have to shift this 1 in the tens place and this number in the ones place. So here 1 in tens place and 3 in ones place. So we are shifting 1 here and 3 here. So you can see that I have written here 1. So children, you also write down 1 here and 3 I have written here. After that, now what is the next step? The next step is we have to count all the digit that is given in tens place. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we will get 3. So 33 groceries. So children, write down here 18 cookies. Don't forget to write down cookies. 15 noodles. And what is the total number of grocery items? 33 groceries. 33 groceries. Now the next question is, Hema picked 46 flowers on Monday and 28 flowers on Tuesday. 46 flowers on Monday, 28 flowers on Tuesday. How many flowers did she pick all together? So what is the first thing? First write down T-O. T represents tens place, O represents ones place. Then 46 flowers on Monday, 28 flowers on Tuesday. Now we have to find out the total number. All together means when we are putting all the flowers together, then we will find out the total number. Okay, so here write down, put the sign, addition sign, and start doing addition. So what is the first step of addition? First step is to add all the digits that are given at ones place. Here in 46, 6 is at the ones place. In 28, 8 is at the ones place. So here we are adding 6 plus 8, and when we add 6 with 8, we will get 14. And in 14 there is 1 at tens place and 4 at ones place. So we have to shift this 1 at tens place and 4 at ones place. Yes, so here you can see that here we are shifting ones at tens place and 4 at ones place. So after this, you can see here I have written 1 and 4 here. So children, you can also follow these steps. Write down 1 here and 4 at ones place. Then what is the next step? Next step is we have to add all the digits that are given at tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 2. And here we will get 7. So when we add 46 with 28, we will get 74. So what is the total number of flowers? 74 flowers. 74 flowers. Now the next question. At the animal parks, there were 25 dogs and 15 cats. 25 dogs and 15 cats. How many animals were there all together? Now again all together. So what is the first thing that we have to do? First thing is we have to write down T and O. Again T represent tens place value. O represent ones place value. Then we have to write down number. First number is 25 dogs. So write down here 25 dogs. 15 cats. So 15 cats. Now the question is asking, we have to find out all the animals number. So put it here, plus sign, addition sign, and then start addition. So here first step is to add the numbers that are given at ones place, and in 25 5 is at ones place, in 15 5 is at ones place. So we have to add 5 with 5. So when we add 5 with 5, we will get 10. And you can see here in tens there is 1 at tens place and 0 at ones place. So we have to shift the numbers accordingly. 1 we have to shift at tens place and 0 we have to shift at ones place. After this, you can see here 1 is written and here 0 is written. So after this, now start adding the numbers that are given at tens place. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. So we will get 4. So when we add 25 with 15, we will get 40 animals. So how many animals were there all together? 40 animals. 40 animals. Children, don't forget to write down 25 dogs, 15 cats and 40 animals. Altogether 40 animals. So now the next question is, on Wednesday, John saw 27 robin birds on one tree and 14 on another tree. How many robin birds did he see all together? 27 robin birds on one tree, 14 on another tree. So the first thing is, write down T and O. T represent tens place, O represent ones place. Then 27 robin birds on one tree, 14 robin birds on another tree. We have to find out robin birds all together. How many robin birds did he see all together? So we have to do addition. So here we are putting addition sign, and after that we will start doing addition. Now the first step is, we have to add the numbers that are given at ones place. So in 27, 7 is given at ones place. In 14, 4 is given at ones place. So when we add 7 with 4, we will get 11 answer. And in 11, 1 is at tens place and 1 is at tens place. So we will shift 1 here at tens place and this one here at ones place. You can see I have shifted 1 here. I have written. So children, we can write here 1 and 1. And now what is the next step? The next step is, we have to add all the digits that is given at tens place. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. So we will get 4. So here 41 birds. So children, write down 27 birds, 14 birds, and the total birds, how many altogether? 41 birds. 41 birds. So now children, try to solve these questions by your own. Mark has 42 blue marbles and Jim has 19 red marbles. Mark has 42 marbles, Jim has 19 red marbles. How many marbles do they have together? So read the question and try to do it by your own. Next question is, Mary picked 18 cherries off the tree. Her brother Bill picked 22 cherries. How many did they have in all? 18 cherries, 22 cherries. And we have to find out how many did they have in all. So children, it's time to do all these questions in your maths notebook. So this is all for today's class. Enjoy learning. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye, children.